shoot my Colt Rail Gun. Now this is a 22 long rifle, 1911 style, and it's actually the same size as a standard 1911 pistol built by Umarex. Now this one has the rail on it, so holsters are harder to find. But I got it set up with the, I believe it's a Gym Tech Model 62 22 caliber suppressor, and this thing works really good. I got 12 rounds, a high velocity, and if you notice, I'm not wearing ear protection because with this, don't need it. It's very quiet. Now without the suppressor, noisier than shit. I'd have to wear my hearing protection. But I'm going to put some subsonics in it so you can hear that. Okay, so I got 10 rounds of the Aguila 40 grain subsonics round nose. And Aguila is what because it's the cheapest, and I bought this shit a decade ago. But now the gun without the suppressor trying to shoot the subsonics will not function. There's not enough pressure to make it cycle. But with the suppressor, it will usually cycle. Sometimes I'll get a jam, but not too often. So I'm going to load her up. And that time it didn't cycle. It says sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Usually depends on how warmed up it gets. I got a sticky round under that. Okay, got the front casing pulled out. Sometimes they jam up bad. So let's try it. Keep trying it. Stove type. Like I said, sometimes it'll function good. Usually when it gets warmer. And right now it's just not getting enough pressure to cycle the new round in. Hey, I actually did it that time. Yeah, it needs to warm up a little bit. I don't know, it's always done that. But all in all, I think I need to clean my extractor a little bit better. But it's a fun gun to play around with, especially if you have a suppressor. So, alright, thanks for watching.